Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna address the elephant in the room really quick. Yes, I have changed the channel name. I go by Say like everywhere else online, so I just realized that it didn't seem appropriate, or it didn't make sense to have that be my channel name anymore. So yes, as you can tell, channel name is Say Says Hey now. You can call me Say. We're here for K-pop. So I know this is late, like 2 days late. It came out, today's Friday, came out Wednesday, and I had like 2 hours before I had to go to work, so like time to film it, but no time to edit or upload it, so I didn't see a point in filming it. And then Friday, wow, Thursday, today's Friday, Thursday I worked all day and then had like an hour at home before I had to leave for the dance studio. So, we're here now, finally. As you can tell, oh my god, sorry, I have clothes up on. We're here Friday to react to Jooheon's mixtape, sort of. It's one of his songs, an MV for it. Psyche. I don't know how you. It's Psyche or Psyche. I don't know. Whatever. Anyways, I did see that he kind of wanted people to react to it, so this is late, but I'm doing it because Jooheon, I love you. So obviously I've heard the song once. I'm not gonna lie. So like I know what it sounds like. Don't know what it sounds like. So I think we'll just get into this. So JOOHONEY, Psyche or Psyche. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Jooheoney 100. Is this loud enough? That's probably better. I think I saw like the first 30 seconds of this, because I debated just like watching it instead of just reacting to it when I couldn't react to it, but I held off. Oh, he looks so good. Okay. Oh, his long, like, permed hair. Chef's kiss. Oh, there's subtitles, but I never pay attention to them, so I don't turn them on. That hair. The permed, long perm. Oh. Get it? Okay, like, I want to see this whole choreography now. Okay, Psyche. I guess Psyche would more be like S-I-K-E, but you never know. Okay. Oh, show me the entire choreography. I kind of want like a performance version. Jooheon. Michael Jackson. Okay, do the moonwalk. It's too late to turn subtitles on now, but I feel like I probably should have. I love his dimples. Okay. Oh, it's fucking Korean auto-generated subtitles anyways, it doesn't matter. Ugh. He's such a good rapper. Saxophone in the back. Get it. Oh, I have a dog coming in. Hi! watch Joohon with me? Hi. What? Hi. Yo. Nice. Nice. Hello. Can I help you? Are you good? What are you doing? Sorry. This is my dog Kona, by the way. That was really good. Like I said, I've heard the song once before, so like I know what it sounds like. Still, it's really good though. Like, I'm not saying, anyways. Yeah, no, it's really good. You're a big suck. Okay. Are you just gonna stand there with your butt in the frame? Alright. I have my dog's butt. Anyways, yeah, no, that was really good. And Joohon looked fantastic. Like, woo, please wear your hair like this more. Like, the long perm is amazing. It's amazing. Gona. Your butt. Your butt. Okay. Okay, anyways, I'll go look up the lyrics because even if I wanted to turn the captions on, as I try to do later, they're in auto-generated Korean, so it doesn't matter. Anyways, yes, that was really good. I'm very proud of Joohon and his entire mixtape. Smokey was really good too. Actually, like, I mean, just the entire thing is really good. His mixtape is really good. And speaking of Joohon, I'm really looking forward to Monsta X's comeback. It's on my birthday. Best birthday gift ever. Like, awesome. So anyways, yes, that was really good. Joohon, I'm really proud of you. Like, really proud. If you like this reaction, hit like or leave a comment below. If you want more K-pop, hit subscribe. And I'll chat to you guys later. Bye. I'm the top boss 나가는 애들 싹 다 잡아 싸그리 모아